Hey, you. It's me? Well, it's you, really. I know this might sound strange, but hear me out. I've been thinking about something how much of our suffering is tied to our own decisions. It's wild when you think about it, isn't it? Sometimes, I feel like I'm trapped in this endless loop of pain, frustration, and regret. But when I stop and really think about it, there's a truth I keep avoiding. I'm the one holding on to it. I decide how long I'll carry it. I decide how long I'll let it weigh me down. Sure, the things that hurt me may have happened, but the suffering, that's something I keep choosing, even when I don't realize it. It's like I've been allowing myself to stay in this place of discomfort. I give my energy to thoughts that don't serve me, to worries that are out of my control, to things I can't change. And the longer I hold on to them, the longer the suffering lingers. I guess the real question is, why do I keep deciding to suffer? Maybe it's fear. Maybe it's easier to cling to what I know, even if it's painful, than to step into the unknown and make the choice to heal. I wonder if part of me thinks that if I just feel enough pain, I'll somehow be absolved, like it's a punishment I must endure. But that's not the truth. Suffering doesn't redeem me, it just exhausts me. It's like I'm telling myself, if I hold on to this long enough, maybe it'll get better. But what if the truth is that it only gets better when I decide to let go? Maybe it's also about control. If I keep suffering, at least it feels like I have a say in something. The suffering becomes familiar, almost comforting in a way. If I stop, then I have to face everything I've been avoiding, the choices I have to make, the changes I need to embrace. But then, I have to ask myself, what if I'm suffering just because I haven't given myself permission to stop? What if the suffering is only as long as I keep deciding to stay in it? What if I could choose something else, peace, forgiveness, letting go? It feels like it should be that simple, but I know it's not. It's not easy to release all that heaviness, all those stories, all the things I keep holding on to. But maybe that's what freedom is, realizing I don't have to stay in the suffering I've built for myself. The most frustrating part of it all? I do have the power to decide. Every moment I choose to hold on, I'm giving away my power. But when I choose to let go, I take it back. So, here's what I need to remind myself, I don't have to keep suffering. It's not a punishment. It's a choice. And I can decide right now, in this moment, that I'm done holding on to what hurts. I can let go. I can breathe. This is my life. I decide how long the suffering lasts. And today, I choose to let it go.